Okay.
Yeah, it's just a test.
Sorry, just
Yes.
that triggered my PTSD because I got trapped in a fire once.
Oh my.
Um,
Okay. I can assure you because I overheard them saying it's just a test.
okay.
Yeah. Nice to
Yay,
check it out.
PTSD.
Yeah.
But I was calling because the ultrasound shot my pain back up to an 8.
Okay.
Um, I just wanted people to be aware of that
Do you want some more Dilaudid?
if it's safe. But if it's not safe, figure something else out.
Okay. Yeah, you're breathing okay. You're alert.
Okay.
Your vitals look okay. So yeah, I'll bring you some more. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bloody hell. At least it was just a test. But, yep.